Hey, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about panel details. I know, didn't I cover this already? Yes, but this is going to be a better approach and I'm going to show you how to apply the technique to a car. Like with the other method, the key to adding panel details to the model is to get the main shape of the mesh first. Once you're happy with everything, you're ready to start separating everything up. This technique is super simple but achieves a good result. So here's what you're going to want to do with the extrusion. Just extrude down once, like so. And then using the multi-cut tool, just add an edge in around about here. Select this loop of faces by clicking on this face, and then you can just shift double click the face next to it, and then we just want to extrude again along this axis. And then, yeah, we're good to just delete these faces here. And so now you can sort of see the effect we're kind of achieving. The good thing about this technique over my other approach is that because of the kind of way we've extruded down and around, you can have some more space in between your panels without like holes forming all over your mesh. Right, so now let's go ahead and apply this to an example. As you can see, this car model that I've been working on has a good form already, so it's ready for some panel details to be added. I'm just going to add some to the door. If I just zoom in here, you can see that I've already created edge loops, which create a good starting point for these seams. When it comes to panel details, consistency is key. And a good way to do this, and the way I approached this model, is basically I created a small plane, which then I rotated around and I used that to line up the edge loops. And if I just add a couple more edge loops in like so, we're just going to do the extrusions like before. So extrude down, add an edge loop in, and then just extrude again. Creating like the L shape. Now with the sub D preview on, so by hitting 3 on the keyboard, you can kind of see the effect that we're kind of getting here. This technique would definitely suffice if the door wasn't going to be opened, but I mean, if it was going to be open, then you're going to need to model the interior in more detail and the back side of the door. But for your everyday panel needs, this is probably a good technique to move forwards with. Right, so I think this pretty much wraps up everything for this one. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.